Crockpot chicken noodle soup. This crockpot chicken noodle soup is a comforting classic, packed with tender chicken, plenty of noodles, and a flavorful broth, all with minimal effort. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, extra virgin, optional. 1 large onion, peeled. 2 large carrots, peeled and sliced or chopped. 2 stalks celery, optional, chopped. 1½ pound chicken breasts, with skin and bones, 2 or 3 breasts. 2 tablespoons vegeta, or 2 teaspoon chicken base, or 1 chicken bouillon cube. 1 teaspoon salt, or to taste. 1/2 teaspoon pepper, or to taste. 8 cups water. 2 bay leaves. 1/2 teaspoon rosemary, dried, optional. 4 ounces egg noodles, wide dry, 2 cups. 1/4 cup parsley, fresh, chopped for garnish. Instructions: add the oil, onion, carrots, chicken, celery, vegeta, salt, pepper, water, bay leaves and rosemary to your crock pot. Cook on low for 8 hours or 4 hours on high. Remove the onion and take out the chicken. Remove the skin and bones from the chicken and shred with 2 forks. Add the chicken back to crockpot and add egg noodles. Cook for another 1 hour on high or until noodles are cooked. Garnish with parsley. Notes: avoid overcooking the noodles. They only need about an hour to cook at the end, so keep an eye on them to prevent them from becoming mushy. Add some creaminess. For a creamy chicken noodle soup, simply stir in a splash of heavy cream about 15 minutes before the noodles finish cooking. Nutrition information. Serving: 1 serving. Calories: 200 kilocalories, 10%. Carbohydrates: 14 g, 5%. Protein: 21 g, 42%. Fat: 6 g, 9%, s. Saturated fat: 1 g, 6%. Polyunsaturated fat: 1 g. Monounsaturated fat: 3 g. Trans fat: 0.02 g. Cholesterol: 66 mg, 22%. Sodium: 1277 mg, 56%. Potassium: 473 mg, 14%. Fiber: 2 g, 8%. Sugar: 2 g, 2%. Vitamin A: 3247 IU, 65%. Vitamin C: 6 mg, 7%. Calcium: 34 mg, 3%. Iron: 1 mg, 6%. Please subscribe to my channel. Channel name: Khaled Zubair. Thanks for watching.